Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Love Nicole. Yeah, I know I have been gone. I'm so sorry, but so many great things have been going on, and that is for a whole nother video. But in today's video, I'm going to be opening my Christmas gift from my husband and my kids. You guys, like, I am so excited that I got this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually insert a clip here for you guys to see of me seeing what I got, you know, that I got it for Christmas. Like, I am super excited. This is something that I have been wanting for a very long time. Christmas was last Friday and today is New Year's Eve, so I have been waiting and just so busy with other things that I didn't get a chance to open it or wear it. And I wanted to, you know, share it with you guys because I did not think that I would be ending the year with a Louis bag. Like, yeah. So if you want to see what I got, please stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box. And like I said, I did open it up on Christmas just so I can see which one I got, because I did not think that I would be receiving this for Christmas. So this is the box. Like, the bag, just like the Louis Vuitton bag itself, is like very durable. So it's like a keepsake. The box is like really thick. It's not flimsy. Very heavy duty and durable, and you can, you know, you can keep this for a lifetime. So let's go ahead and slide the ribbon off. You guys, like, I have been wanting one of these bags forever, and like I said, we have had so much stuff going on that I honestly did not think that I was going to get one, and when I got it, I was very surprised. So opening up the bag, opening up the box to see which bag I got for the very first time. So this is the box that it comes in. This is the receipt envelope with the receipt. Close this. From the Louis Vuitton store that they put your receipt in. Like I said, this is the receipt, right? The receipt envelope. And my husband purchased this from the Louis Vuitton store at the Phillips Plaza in Atlanta. And before you get to the bag, you actually receive a Louis Vuitton dust bag, just so that you can keep your bag protected while you're not wearing it. But this is gonna be my everyday bag. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, so opening up the bag. So the bag that he got me was the Speedy, and this is the Speedy. This is the Speedy 30, and you guys, this bag is so huge. Like, it is so huge. I'm actually glad he did get the checker print, because like I said, I do plan to wear this bag every day. And I know I've heard other people on YouTube say that the handle, since it's so light, that they will patina because of the different oils and different things like that on your skin. So again, I am very glad that he did choose the darker color, so that way I don't have to worry about the bad patining, changing colors, and me having to switch out the handles, because I heard that, just, you know, you having to switch out the handles and hardware, things like that, can get very expensive, but you don't have to do that till years to come. So this is the bag that I got, and I'm so sorry with that. Like I said, I've had it in the box, that's why it looks all jumbled up. It has the Louis Vuitton lock and key on there, and the leather on the handles is very soft texture. Like I have Burberry bags, I've had Coach, Michael Kors, and the leather It does not compare to it at all. It also says Louis Vuitton Paris right here. Sorry, my hands are a little ashy. I've been cleaning up. So yeah, like the leather is like top-notch quality. This is like a lifetime bag. Like I actually can pass this bag down to my daughter once she gets older. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to unzip the bag. And the color that he got me, I have the cherry color on the inside. You guys, like, it's so pretty, and like I said, it's very deep, so I will be able to put a lot of things in this bag. I have a cherry color here on the inside. As you guys can see, it's very deep. Y'all, I'm just so happy he did so good. I was like expecting jewelry or maybe a few Pandora charms or perfume. I also did get a bottle of perfume by Marc Jacobs. It's a wonderful scent. But looking at the bag, in the zipper, this is the zipper. And I'm gonna pull out what they had. Like, I didn't even realize they had all this in there. And you open it up and it says this is the Speedy 30 NM. And it also has like some other letters behind it. It was retailed at $11.60. It also comes with this card right here from Louis Vuitton. From what I've been told, like only the real Louis Vuittons come with this card right here. And also in this bag are the keys for my lock. And it feels like it's 2 keys in here. So these are the keys for my lock on the outside of my purse. This is what the keys look like right here. Just so cute. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, back in the day, in my early 20s, I had a knockoff Louis Vuitton. I'm not gonna lie, but y'all, this is like the real deal. Like, oh my God, like when I say he did so good, he did so good. And they have another card in here, another Louis Vuitton card in here.